I'm going to give you 100 sourcing websites you could be using for Amazon FBA. And this is going to be totally free for you. We'll also be talking to you about some of our favorite websites which you can source from, and also be showing you some actual deals we found on these websites which are currently selling for profit on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So at the end of this video, we're going to be giving you a list of 100 of the best sourcing websites for Amazon FBA here in the UK, and specifically for online arbitrage, as this is the easiest way to start an Amazon FBA business. So make sure to stick around because this could be a game changer for your Amazon business. Now, before we do get into the interesting bit, you're probably wondering who we actually are. Well, we're Profitl. We're an Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer to help you analyze your FBA deals. We also have a deal finding tool to help you find your FBA deals, and a wholesale scanner, the most amazing Discord community. If you are interested in joining, we do have an exclusive discount code which will make pop up just here. That will save you either 5% on yearly plans or 20% on monthly plans. Now, before we tell you how you can get your hands on this list of 100 sourcing websites, and it will be sent straight to your email, we just wanted to show you some of our favorite ones and show you some actual deals we found using this list. So first up, we have TK Maxx, and you're probably familiar with this from its high street presence. Of course, they have loads of stores here in the UK, but they also have a really good website for online arbitrage. So this product we found was this Scottish Fine Soaps company body wash, which we can buy for £2.99, and it's selling on Amazon for £9.99, so a really good price difference. So that means 120% return on investment, £3.59 profit per unit. And check this out, only one other FBA seller on this listing, and there's loads of deals out there on TK Maxx just like this. Now, next up, we have a product from probably our favorite online arbitrage website, and you may not have heard of this one. It's called Toni. It's a beauty website. They have a huge catalog of products, and the nice thing is they're always running discounts on their products, and this is a prime example. So we can get this for £6.12 with the code 15combi, usually £7.20, and these discount codes can be the difference between it being profitable and not profitable. So we're buying it for £6.12. It sells on Amazon for £16.56, so 85% return on investment, giving us £5.18 profit per unit. Wasn't a huge seller, this one, 17 units a month, which wasn't a lower side, but just use it as inspiration for the types of deals you can be sourcing. Then we have one more product to show you from another great website for online arbitrage. Also have a retail presence. This, of course, is Smith Toys. So this one was this miraculous movie ball gown, which we can buy for £11.99. Now on Amazon, it's selling for £23.97. And the person on the buy box on this one isn't even an FBA seller. So we know there's a good chance we'll be able to jump on the buy box at this price. So it's a 37% return on investment, £4.41 profit per unit, 30 sales a month. So not a bad deal overall. So using this list, you can find products just like this. Now that's not to make you think that finding deals is easy, because it's not. Deal sourcing is a skill which does take some time to master, but as with anything, the more time you can spend doing it, the easier it does become. And if you did want help with sourcing your deals, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're always posting out Amazon FBA videos on our YouTube channel. Now, by now, you're probably wondering how to get your list of 100 free sourcing websites. Well, if you head down below to the description, you're going to find a link where you can get this. All you need to do is add your email address, and you'll be automatically emailed the list of 100 websites. It will be an Excel spreadsheet. If you don't get it, please check your spam folder, because it will be an automatic process. As soon as you add your email, it should go straight into your inbox. So we hope you find that list helpful, and we hope it helps you with your Amazon FBA sourcing. But that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.